Guys, please check your audio and video settings, please. Okay, guys. Yesterday I was talking about API Gateway, right? Okay, guys. Let's concentrate benefits of API Gateway. Benefits of or advantages of API Gateway. Benefits or advantages of API Gateway, guys. Shall we start understanding one by one? Okay, guys. What is the first one? Single entry and exit point for all entry point for all services of the application for clients. Application for clients. Nothing but single URL, guys. Yeah. Next. Oh, okay. Dynamic routing and load balancing. Dynamic routing and load balancing. Yeah, what's the meaning of this, guys? The meaning of this one is okay, assigning one service in a stance. Assigning one service instance from Eureka server and making one service instance of microservice from Eureka server and come on, guys, and making HTTP call to it. Making HTTP call to it. Making HTTP call to it by checking less load balance. Less load balance. Come on. Okay. By checking less load balance, service instance availability. Less load balance, service instance availability. Next one. Supports SSO. Single sign-on. Single sign-on. Supports SSO. single sign-on. Using OAuth 2. OAuth 2 will be discussed, guys. Using OAuth 2. That means perform login operation once and access all the microservices of the application. Okay. Access all the microservices of the application, all the microservices of the application. Okay. Using the same credentials. Using the same credentials. Yeah. Dynamic proxy class generation having client code. Yesterday we discussed it, guys. Client code. What is that, guys? Ribbon client. Ribbon client code generation. Next one. Okay. Provides filters for data logging. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Provides data logging, filters for data logging. Okay, boss. Okay, guys. Now listen. Important points on API Gateway implementation. API Gateway implementation. Yeah. Okay. API Gateway. API Gateway. API Gateway Zuul, guys. Like Netflix Zuul. Is all yesterday we discussed, but once again I'm highlighting. Is also a is also a microservice. Is also a microservice. Is also a microservice. Microservice. So it can be used. It can be used to communicate with other real microservices. Other real microservices. Possible or not? Okay, guys. API Gateway must be registered with Eureka server. Eureka server, like any other microservice. Like any other microservice. Okay. In API Gateway, development, we must provide one provide other MS service ID. We must provide other MS service ID collected from the Eureka server, and that should be linked with that should be linked with come on, that should be linked with common path or Zuul path. Should be linked with common path or Zuul path. Arey, come on. According to the diagram, remember the diagram, boss. Okay, guys. The dynamic proxy client code, nothing but ribbon client code, guys. Nothing but ribbon. Generated based on service ID. Generated based on service ID. Gets the required MS instance. Come on. Tell me, guys. Based on Suresh Kumar, first see the yesterday diagram and question yourself. Muddy fellow. First attend classes regularly, my dear. Sir, it means without Eureka server, API Gateway will not work. That's what I'm trying to say now, boss. Muddy fellow. It is a MS, it should be registered with Eureka server. After listening, entire Ramayana is asking. Okay, guys. Gets required MS instance. Required MS instance. Okay. From Eureka server. Required MS instance from Eureka server. Based on load balancing. Based on load balancing. Everyone got the clarity, guys? Come on. Okay. Shall we start implementation of this? Okay. Components to develop. Example application. Components to develop. Components to develop or applications to develop. Applications or projects to develop. First, Eureka server you have to develop, guys. Eureka server. Next, one or other service. Billing service MS. Yeah, that billing service may talk with the payment service also. That's the internal thing. Okay. Billing service MS, guys. See, guys. Billing service MS. Zuul service, guys. Zuul server. Okay. Zuul server. Yeah, these are the things. This billing service may interact with payment service. Payment service MS. Okay. Calls payment service. Payment service MS. Calls payment service MS. Zuul server. Okay. These are the 4 components that we want to develop. Okay. But are we going to remember billing service URL, payment service URL? No. Are we going to remember billing service URL, payment service URL? No, only Zuul server URL, right, boss? This is the thought process, guys. Okay, shall we start doing that work? Okay, wherever copy paste is possible, I will do that. Close projects, guys. Okay, right, boss. We have, yeah, we have a lot of places. We have a Eureka server, guys. Don't worry. Tell me, guys. Billing service, shopping service. I think we can take this. We'll make it billing service, shopping service. Here also we will take. Let's remove this. First shopping service, then billing service. Billing service. Okay. Calls billing service. Calls billing service. Right, boss? Where is the story? Where is the story? Yeah, many things are there, guys. No problem. No problem, guys. We will take a load balancer one only. We will seriously take what? Okay. Fing one only. What is there in that? Fourth one. Eureka server I have taken. Open it. Open it. Take a copy of it. Copy of it. Spring Boot MS pros. Anyone is having idea? Pros. How much pros, guys, it is? Anyone is having idea? Some 7. Okay. Can I take some 9? 8? Okay. Pros 8. Eureka server. Pros 8. Eureka server. Okay. You know that how does it become Eureka server? You know that, right? Yes. Resources. Application.properties. 8761. You know the meaning of this one. Okay, this itself Eureka server. There is no question of it's registering with Eureka. Okay, it's itself getting from Eureka. Come on. That's why, because, and one more thing we have to add. What is that? At the rate Eureka client something, some annotation. At the rate enable Eureka server. These two things we have to keep ready or not. Come on. Okay, boss. What is that? Step 1. Keep any Eureka server. Keep any Eureka server. Any old Eureka server project ready. Ready. Okay. Tell me. Ready. Having dependencies What guys? What dependencies, guys? Having dependencies. Web comma having dependencies. Web comma. Hold one ra. Web comma Eureka server comma. That's it. Web comma Eureka server. Okay. And adding at the rate. Old one ra babu. Yeah, okay. Keep any old Eureka server project ready. Unnecessarily you will confuse if I write extra thing. Right was. Tell me guys. Keep old shopping service, comma, billing service, MS projects ready. Shopping service, billing service, MS projects ready. They may communicate using any client internally. That's not a big deal now. Yeah, we are ready with this 8.1. Okay, go to 4.1. In the fourth one, here config server we are highlighting. Okay, let's not take that then. Okay, okay, we'll take this one, third one. Billing service is there na? Okay, billing service, shopping service here, billing service. We'll take these two things. Let's open them. Okay, because config server means again collecting values from outside and all this and hangama. Okay, copy these guys. Copy these guys, paste. Yeah, tell me. Spring Boot MS Pros 8 billing service producer. Okay, next. 8 shopping service consumer. Shopping service consumer. Done, guys. Let's open this. First, billing service was. Billing service. Controller class. Billing service controller. / billing. Oh, server port number, all these things it is trying to collect from there. Server port numbers are all these things it's trying to collect from there. Okay, fine, no problem. Yeah, what's the message is printing? Okay, some billing information it is printing, guys. Resources, application dot properties. 9091 billing service. Okay, this one right. Instance ID we are generating dynamically. Instance ID we are trying to generate dynamically. Got it, guys? Okay, boss. Similarly, shopping service, guys. Main our target is shopping service, guys. Very shopping service. Yes. Yes. Shopping service controller, boss. Shopping info, all this stuff. Shopping info, all this stuff. Shopping info, all this stuff. This also I'm going to have. This also I'm going to have multiple instances. For shopping also I'm going to have multiple instances. Go to this place. Application dot properties. Okay, this is the client shopping service / Eureka. Instance ID here also I would like to generate dynamically. Here also I would like to generate dynamically. Zuul server should pick up in one instance based on load balance now, boss. Okay, some random value. Some random value. Okay, to know what is picked up, here also I would like to inject these things and Copy these guys. Copy these guys. Say paste. Sorry. Shopping service controller. Say paste. Consumer dot. Okay. Consumer dot details. What are the things, guys? Fungal shopping family using tell me, guys, using MS instance ID. MS instance ID running on port number port. Running on port number port. After that, some gap, this one. Consumer dot billing info. Yes, guys. What is there in the client, boss? What is there in the client? Dynamically gets the service instance, getting URI calling method, and get for object response. This is anyhow regular one. Regular one. Come on. Okay. Shopping controller application dot properties. Here also we are getting the service instance dynamically. Super, guys. Super. Tell me, shopping service and billing service, guys. Okay. Collect from. What is that? Spring Boot MS Pros 03. Yes. Collect from. Okay. Spring Boot MS Pros 03 service. Spring Boot MS Pros 03. Cool, guys. Yeah, this is step 2. We are ready with these 2 things, guys. We are ready with these 2 things. What do you say, guys? Okay. 08, all 3 are ready, was. Next. Step number 4. Develop API Gateway. API Gateway. API Gateway, nothing but Netflix Zuul server. Netflix Zuul server. In that one, guys, create what is that? Project. Starter project. Adding. Okay. Create starter project adding. Tell me what are the things we should add, guys? Adding Zuul, comma, Eureka client, comma, web dependencies. This is the new one. Dependencies. Yes, let's do that work first. Let us do that work first. No, here Fing is not required. Here anyhow ribbon will be taken. Shopping service is internally calling billing service using anything. Come on, Ganesh Bale, what happened? Right now, yes, this is internally may use any client, but here internally uses ribbon client which comes dynamically, right? Zuul, Eureka client and web dependencies. Let's do that work. Okay, where is this? Project, Spring Boot starter project, guys. Tell me, Boot MS, Spring Boot MS, Spring Boot MS, Spring Boot MS, Pros 8, Pros 08, Joule server, Joule server, var file, guys, var file. Okay, Joule server, Joule server. Come on, everything is same. Next, what is the first one? Web. Next one, Eureka client. Eureka discovery client. Nice. Next, Joule. Oh, Netflix Joule. Netflix Joule nowadays not coming. Netflix Joule is not directly available. Can I add manually? Can I add manually, guys? How? No, Spring Cloud routing gateway is there, but whether it is giving, okay, let me check whether it is giving gateway is there, but which gateway it is giving, I have to check once. Yeah, say next, say finish. Gateway is there, but let me check what gateway it is giving. Fine. This version issues will be there, don't worry. Joule server, guys. Pom.xml, guys. No, yeah. It's saying that starter gateway, but it is not giving clarity what gateway it is having. We cannot take chance like this. Okay. We cannot take chance like this. Let's search in what? Let us search in what? What's happening? Why it is dead slow now? mvnrepository.com. Okay. mvnrepository.com. Joule. Netflix Joule. Netflix Joule. Spring Cloud starter, Netflix Joule. Which one is good, guys? Which one is good? Spring Cloud, Netflix Joule. Which is a starter. We need a starter now. Okay. Starter gateway is there. I think starter is better. Yeah, we are looking for starters only, na Spring Boot environment one. 2.2.10. Copy these guys. Say paste. This is not required. Webflow also not required. Okay. Done, guys. Fine. Hmm. Joule, Eureka, client and web dependencies. Number two, add, add, enable Joule server, guys. What, guys? Add, enable Joule server, Joule proxy. Add, enable Joule proxy, enable Eureka client on the top of main class. Add, enable Joule proxy and enable Eureka client on the top of main class. On the top of main class. On the top of main class. All right. Enable Joule proxy. Joule proxy. Enable Eureka client. Enable Eureka client. Done, guys. Enable Eureka client. Copy these, guys. Paste it. Copy these, guys. Paste it. Number three. Okay, guys. Number three, guys. Add the following entries in application.properties file. Add the following entries in application.properties file. Oh, resources, application.properties. Tell me, guys, it has to run on its port number. It has to run on its port number, no doubt in that. Fine. It has to be registered with the Eureka server. So these entries are going to be common or not, guys? And it is also an MS. Don't forget, it is also an MS. So I'll make sure that it is running on some port number, 9797 port number, something. Okay. Application name, I will take it as what? Application name, I will take it as what? Spring.application.name, Joule server. Joule server. Are some name, guys. Joule server. It has to be registered with Eureka server. This is to make it as MS to register with what? This MS properties. Now tell me, guys. Common URL linking with common URL linking with service ID, service instance, service ID. Common URL linking with service ID. Okay, I have to link this one with which service ID, guys? I have to link this one with which service ID? Shopping service ID, right? Shopping service ID. Tell me, what is their common URL first? Joule dot. Okay, routers dot. Joule dot routers dot. Joule dot routers dot. Joule dot routers dot PMT dot path, guys. PMT dot path. Yeah, array, it can be anything, guys. As I said, okay, Flipkart, generally API, array, all these are APIs, not RESTful. These are multi-level path, guys. Flipkart API. After that, anything can be there. After this, anything can be there. Come on. Okay, guys. But it is not recognizing, guys. Why it's a problem? Create metadata. No. Yeah, listen, guys. Joule dot routers dot. Okay, Joule dot routers dot. Array, it's a PMT is the module name. It's not a fixed one, guys. Okay, my module name is FPKT. My module name is Flipkart, guys. Path is equal to /Flipkart hyphen API is also. All these are for our convenience, guys. Star. But this star should be there to indicate multi-level path. Star should be there to indicate multi-level path. This is user defined. This is user defined. Are you getting my point? So the basic syntax is this one, guys. What is the basic syntax? Okay. Joule is fixed. Routers is fixed. Module name dot path. Module name dot path, guys. Module name dot path. Next, you have to provide instance. You should be linked with one or other instance ID or not. Okay, tell me what is shopping service instance ID, guys? Shopping service instance ID. Where is shopping service, guys? Shopping service instance ID. Go to application.properties. I mean to say service ID. Shopping -service, guys. Okay, once again, check it out. Joule dot routers dot array, that is a map collection. Module name. What is the module name, guys? Module name is Flipkart is my module name dot service ID. Module name dot service ID. Okay, here also roots dot. Okay, now that I've gone. Service ID. What is service ID, guys? What is the service ID? Just now we have seen. Shopping service is the service ID. What's the meaning of that? Whenever I give this URL as a common URL, it should go to shopping service instance. It should go to shopping service instance. It is not routers, guys. It's a roots. What is this? Roots only. Routing means routing option, guys. Yes, boss. Joule dot roots dot module name dot service ID. Service -ID. Right, guys. Okay. These are the entries we should write, boss. These are the entries we should write. Okay. Say paste. Done. These are the entries we should write, boss. Fine. Okay, that's it. We are ready with the Joule server. You don't believe? We are ready with the Joule server. Okay. Now what? Eureka server is ready. 2 projects are ready. And we are ready with the Joule server also. Execution. Billing entry. No, this is not required. Saurabh, this is not billing service entry not required. Why? Shopping service is internally calling billing service. Why should I give again common path? Use common sense, my dears. Do I need to write billing service entry here? Not. I never contact billing service directly. I contact shopping service, right? Okay, boss. Acha, Maven dependency we have not highlighted. Huh? Okay. Maven dependency we have not highlighted. Copy this, guys. Where is Maven dependency? Here is the Maven dependency. Done, boss. Yes. Execution order, guys. Execution order. Execution order. First, star. What is the execution order? Eureka server. Eureka server. Next. Okay. Start billing service. Okay. Run Eureka server, guys. Run billing service for multiple times by changing port number. We need multiple clients now, boss. Come on. Run shopping service. Run shopping service. Shopping service for multiple time by changing port number. Run Zuul server. Run Zuul server. Okay. Then we have to open Eureka client, guys. You know that. Okay. Open Eureka server home page. Home page. Home page. Eureka server home page. And change the URL. Change the URL to the Zuul common URL. To the Zuul common URL. Understanding my statement, guys? Okay. Okay. Star indicates multi-level path. Multi-level path. And it's must, guys. It is must. Multi-level path. Open Eureka server homepage, common URL. Shall we start doing, guys, one by one? Okay. First what? Eureka server. I hope you remember Eureka server port number 8761. Na? Eureka server port number 8761. Yes. Eureka server started successfully. Then what is that, guys? Billing service. Spring Boot application, guys. One copy is ready. Go to application.properties 9102. 9902. One more copy is ready. Billing service, one more copy is ready. Super. Billing service, 2 copies are ready. Cool, guys. Come to shopping service, guys. Come to shopping service. Okay, 6600. Having this port number, shopping service first instance is ready. Shopping service first instance is ready. Okay, guys. Next. Okay, boss. Next. Change port number of this 6601. 6601. Right click. Run on Spring Boot application. Shopping service. Okay. Shopping service, second service is ready, guys. Oh, DevTool is there. Shopping service is having DevTool. 1 minute then. Sure. Shopping service is having DevTool. Okay, then go to console. Shopping service. Total how many consoles are there? I think billing service. This is already terminated. Check it out. Okay. Now let me terminate both the things. Let me terminate both the things. Shopping service, consumer. Okay. Shopping service is gone, guys. What is this? DevTools. Where is DevTools? DevTools is very danger. DevTools is very danger, right? Okay. Now go back to application.properties. This is shopping service 6600, guys. Freshly I am running. Without DevTools, freshly I am running. Run as a Spring Boot application. Okay. Change the port number 6601. Run as Spring Boot application. Right, guys. 1 minute, guys. Total how many services are there? 5 are there. 1 Eureka service. Okay. 2 billing service instances. 2 shopping service instances. Right, guys. Come on. Okay. Next, what should I run? Zuul server I should run, guys. What is the other one I should run? Zuul server. Zuul server is running on which port number? Zuul server is running on which port number? Now tell me. Zuul server is running on which port number? Okay, it is also registered 9797. We have chosen what? 9797. Total how many services are running? 6 services are running. Come on, guys. Super, boss. Super. I hope you are getting the feel, guys. Okay. I hope you are getting the real feel. Nice. Really nice. Tell me next one. Localhost 8761. Localhost 8761. Yeah. 2 instances. Zuul server. Come on. 2 instances. Zuul server. Now what should I do? What should I do? I have to modify the URL now, boss. Okay. We need to click on Zuul server link only, boss. We have to click on Zuul server link. Anyhow, wrong error will come. 9797. What is the other one? What is the other one? Flipkart API na Zuul path. Zuul path. What is Zuul path? Flipkart hyphen API slash. What is controller path of billing service, guys? What is controller path of billing service? Come on, my dear. Control path of billing service. Shopping service, shopping controller, /shopping/info, right? /shopping/info, /shopping/info. Enter key. 500 internal error. I think it's saying that timeout error is coming. No. I think some services are terminated because of delay activity. If I am not wrong, some services got terminated because of delay we have done, guys. Okay. Are there any terminated one? Eureka server. Nothing is terminated now, boss. Nothing is terminated. Then why it is giving error? Zuul server. It's not Flipkart. It's a Flipkart only, Ra Babu. It's not Flipkart. What is the common URL, guys? What is the Zuul server common URL? Flipkart API /*. Flipkart API /*. Flipkart API shopping/info. Yo, what's happening? Service ID not required, Babu. Acha. No, there is no need of entering that one, guys. There is no need of entering service ID. Controller path and method path is enough. Controller path and method path is enough. Yes, we did that one only. 9797 Flipkart API shopping/info. Look at the server log files of Zuul. Zuul server log file. Oh, Zuul server log is giving error. Let's find out what is the error, guys. Go to the beginning. No such method error. Error controller get error path. But why it is trying to go to error controller? What's the problem? No such method error. Error controller dot error path. Okay. Why it is trying to go to that? Trap executor, config cluster resolver. Array, our thought is nice, our execution is right. Why it is trying to go to that one? Any problem with the Zuul server, guys? Once again, try to run it. Here I type localhost 9797 Flipkart API /shopping/info. Why it is not going, Ra Babu? Why it is not going? Any problems? Okay, first of all, come to shopping service. Any instance executed? Any instance executed? Module name. Should I write same module name? 1 minute. Flipkart here. Here also Flipkart. Flipkart here. Flipkart. Where is Zuul server? Stop the Zuul server. Stop the Zuul server. Okay. Zuul server is done. Service ID is this. Shopping service is done. Done. Fine, guys. Where is this? Where is Zuul server? Here is Zuul server. Run as Spring Boot application. Run as a Spring Boot application, guys. Registering Zuul server instance 9797. It's ready. It's happily registered, guys. Total how many services are there? 5 services are there. Cool, guys. 1 minute. Is there any issue with the Zuul server? Running evict task is compensation 0 milliseconds. Nice. Go to Eureka. Say refresh. Done. Go to Eureka. Say refresh. Okay. Billing service 2 instances are ready. Shopping service 2 instances are ready. Click on it. Clicked on it. Tell me here what is the one I have taken. Flipkart API. Zuul path. Nothing but common path. Flipkart API / shopping / info / shopping / info. Okay, boss. Enter key. 500 internal server error. 500 internal server error. Where you are going, boss? Where it is going wrong? Go to Zuul server. Go to Zuul server. Wait, I think any version issues, guys. Right, boss. Yeah. Reason, guys. After upgrade to Spring Boot 5.2, this one, it works with a version issue, guys. It's a version issue. Version issue works fine with this one. What's the solution for this problem? I have same problem with Spring Boot of 2.5. Another guy also. Okay, version issue, guys. Okay. After some go, I found Zuul and Ribbon were removed from Spring Boot main channel 2.5.x. You need to replace them with alternates. Okay. We need to replace them with what? Alternates. Okay. Then what we do? So we have to work with some older version, guys. Go to older version. Yes. 1 minute. Go to Zuul. Stop it. Go to Zuul. Stop it. Yeah. 2.4.8. Yeah. We'll attempt once, guys. If not coming, tomorrow we'll see freshly. I think version compatibility issue is there. 2.4.8. Two point 4.8. Done. Zuul server version I changed it to 2.4.8. Now let's run Zuul server once again. Why this red mark? Yeah, Maven update I have to say, guys. Maven update. Update Maven project. Done, guys. Right click, run on Spring Boot application. Run on Spring Boot application. Super, guys. Now come here. Eureka refresh. Eureka refresh. Done. Okay, info has come. That's not an issue now. Tell me, what is the Zuul path? Flipkart API. Flipkart API. Short shopping / info. Enter key. / shopping / shopping / Flipkart API / shopping / this one. Yeah, right now we are in Zuul server, guys. Zuul server. Load balancer does not have available server client. Available server client. Shopping service is not there. Load balancers does not have shopping service. Is it really not having shopping service, guys? Go to Eureka. Shopping service is there. Shopping service is there. Shopping service instances are there now. Then why it is saying not there? Or maybe I have to change versions of all. Come on, guys. I have to change the versions of all microservice and other things also. Okay. Check the logs of shopping server. No, actually, go to Zuul server. No. This I need not to change. This I need not to change, guys. This I need not to change. Okay, 1 minute. It's some version issues, guys. Zuul server, forwarding error. What's the main exception? Load balancer does not have available server for client. Shopping - service. Shopping - service. Check the common URL spell. Flipkart API. Flipkart API. What we have written here? Here we are writing Flipkart API only, my dear. Flipkart API shopping / info. That's right. That's right. No, that I said basically it is not finding what, guys. If you are, I think we got what is the error? 500 error is giving. Can we add @ load balancer at the shopping service? Are not required now, boss. What load balancer is internally using, you don't bother about it. Okay. 9797 Flipkart. But why it is saying shopping service is not available with Eureka? Shopping service is what? Shopping service, let me check. It is not recognizing shopping service, guys. Billing service, shopping service. Oh, okay. Module name gone wrong. Flipkart. One last attempt, guys. Wait. Give me 2 minutes time. One last attempt. Flipkart. Yes, guys. Flipkart. Let's see. Zuul, guys. Spring Boot application. Zuul Spring Boot application, guys. Zuul Spring Boot application. Zuul Eureka, guys. Eureka. Zuul server 1 by 1. Okay. No, iPhone is allowed na in website. iPhone is not allowed. iPhone is allowed, ra babu. Okay, 9797. What is the common path, guys? Flipkart iPhone API /shopping /service /shopping/service. Yeah, Flipkart. Just /shopping/info na. Okay, got it, guys. /shopping/info /shopping/info. Why it is not taking, my dear? Go to Zuul server. Let's read the error clearly. Zuul server. Load balancer does not available for server client shopping service. Okay. I think shopping service is dealing with what, guys? Shopping service is dealing with what? Shopping service client is where, guys? Where is client code in shopping service? Load balancer, billing service, /billing/. Acha, load balancer is not there in shopping service. Huh? No, actually we already worked with this concept. Na? Billing service /billing/info /billing/info REST template now, guys. Okay. I think tomorrow when we meet freshly, we'll run all the services once, guys. Freshly we run all the services once, then we will see. If needed, we'll change the versions and we will see the possibility. It comes small, minor mistakes, small change happens somewhere, I will check it out. I'll definitely check it out. Okay. No, I have to show. No, I have to take multiple instances of shopping. I have to show load balancing is happening, right? I must prove that there is a load balance. Right? Okay. Wait, otherwise entire theory of yesterday becomes wrong. Thank you. We'll see. Small mistake happening somewhere, we'll work out. We'll work out that. Thank you. Small issue somewhere,